In this Electude tutorial, I will show you how to create your own engine management simulator fault. So I'm logged in as a teacher, and we're going to go to the Modules tab, select Default by Subject, Light Vehicles, and you can place these in any folder you wish, but it makes sense if we're making an engine simulator fault, we'll put it in this folder. And then we have a choice to put that either in the Basic, Advanced, or Specialist folder, subfolder. You can either select that from here or over to the center of the page, either one. By the way, this one here, this is a no fault, which is kind of handy. So you'll notice here there's no fault description or anything. So this is a perfectly good running vehicle. But anyway, that's just a little added tip there. But let's go into Advanced. And here are the faults that exist in the Advanced folder. And I'm going to add a new fault by clicking the plus. By default, lesson is already in the selection box here, but we're going to click the drop down and we're going to create a simulation fault. We have to provide a title before you can actually select the fault. So I want to select something with an engine misfire, so I'm just going to call this engine misfire, or engine runs poorly. Whatever you want to call it. You can put a description here, about this fault. This will be visible by the student, so you don't want to be too detailed here. There we go. And we can put a level on here if we want to, and click Add. Next, we are going to select our fault. So you have access to 50 different simulator faults. So you can browse through this list, and I'm looking for one here that's going to cause a misfire. How about this one here? Wire faulty, interruption between fuse F5 and ignition coil 4. All right. So now we're going to write the work order. All right. Okay, so there's our work order description. Now we get to choose what tools we wish the student to have, and whether or not we want the exercise to be automatically evaluated by the system, or if you select no, the student would not be scored and the teacher would manually evaluate and provide a score. Generally speaking, you want to just leave the automatic scoring on. You can still override that score if you choose to. So I'm going to click OK. And that's going to update our fault. And so as the teacher, you'll get a wiring diagram below that shows you where the fault is. So indeed, here we have a open circuit between fuse F5 and number 4 ignition coil. And we can again review our work order description. If we need to make any changes, we can click on this box and put some more information in there. Anytime you make changes here, just click OK. If you wish to change the title of this activity, you can click the pencil and update the title, the description. But it's ready to go. So next we would then go over to the either the courses tab and put this engine simulator fault into a course, or we could assign this directly to our students. But let's just give it a quick run through here. I'll start the module. And so here's our work order description. This is really important, by the way. If you miss this step, students won't get a work order. So if you experiment making your own simulator fault and you don't get a work order, you probably missed this step. So make sure you fill out that customer concern so students know what to do. And yeah, Now the learner can close the work order and use the tools to go to work.